Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already to my channel, and please do follow me on Instagram also, because I do post a lot of clips on there too, which is Keyury D, and the link will be below in my video. But today I thought I'd do a quick makeup tutorial, and the main focus will be on the eye look, and I am basically using the tips and tricks that I learned from Mario's mastercourse, and yes, so I thought I'd share this with you. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Go in with my eyebrows first. So first I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows, and I currently don't have anything on them. Draw in a few streaks, so you're just basically very soft hands and literally mirroring the direction of the growth that you have to your eyebrow shape. So the direction the hair grows in, that's the direction that you also want to be filling in the hair, so it looks completely natural. I'm not going to go in with a heavy brow, so I'm going to leave it at that, the hair, and I'm pushing the hair upwards, as you can see, and this literally lifts your eyebrows and makes it look quite fluffy and full. Depending on the look that you're trying to create, you can always keep mixing up between the two different applicants. Once again, I'm just doing a few streaks where I think that my eyebrow is not entirely full. And then I'm going to go in and brush this through again. And when you do this and you comb through your hair, it literally gives it that laminated feel and the fluffiness to the hair, which looks super natural. My eyebrow gel by Benefit, the brow gel, and it's clear, so it helps look completely natural. And then I'm going to lift my eyebrows once again and just put the gel on so it holds the hair in this direction, and this just gives it that super soft feel to the eyebrow. Now this eyebrow looks a lot fuller than this eyebrow, but then at the same time this one looks more complete, but yet very natural. They don't stray from Benefit also, and this is a really good primer for the eyes. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush and the primer, and I'm going to take some onto my brush and then define my actual eyebrow with this, and then I'm going to bring this all the way down. And we don't want this to look streaky, so after doing this we'll also comb through the eyebrow. Then I like to just go in with my fingers and just soften it out so that there's no harsh lines anywhere. And then once again, go in with your brush and comb through the hairs. Using my Shape Tape concealer, I'm just going to go in with the angled brush and just define the top of the eyebrow. And once again, once we've done this, we will also comb through so that there's no harshness anywhere. Now if you just look at both eyebrows, already you can see quite a big difference in the way the eyebrows look. And now what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to go in with my brow pencil again and just create the odd streak here, and it basically looks like there was hair there. basically what it is. That's what we're doing. Okay, perfect. So the eyebrows are now, this eyebrow is now, so I'm just going to go in with some highlight, and this will give more definition to the eyebrow and the eyelid, and voila, the eyebrow is done. Now I'm just going to go in and quickly do the other eye. So I've just gone in and done both eyebrows, and then I've brought the primer and concealer down all the way onto my eyelids, and I've just made sure that it is blended in properly. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just sort of pat this into my eye and just set it in. So I'm just setting the eye, and this really helps with keeping your eyeshadow on all day. Sephora Matte Cream eyeshadow pencil, and I'm just going to use this all over my eyelids. I'm just going to go in with it and just apply this all over my eye, and it's just a very neutral colour, so I'm literally just applying it all over, and then I'm just going to go in with my blending brush and just blend this in. So I'm now just going to go in with this brown here from the Mauve Copper Spice palette, and literally I am packing this in on the corner and then bringing it into the eye to give it definition all the way. So once again, getting product, tapping it off, packing it on, and then buffing it out. Now I'm going to go in once again with my cream shadow, and I'm going to go in with the colour Nacra? I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's one of my Sephora ones, and I'm literally just going to apply this all over the inner part of the eye and take it outwards, and then I am going to literally use my finger first to spread this evenly everywhere, right here next to the black, and I'm using a angled sort of pointed brush, and this just gives me a lot more definition, and I'm just going to bring this into my eye on the corners of my eye. I feel like there needs to be a little bit more definition here, so I'm just literally bringing it into the eye with brown eyeliner, and basically apply this as an eyeliner on the top of my lid. So I'm just going to go in and blend everything that I've done into the eye. So once again, when you're working on the inner part of the eye, you're blending inwards. When you're working on the outer part of the eye, you take it back in again. So I've just gone in and completed both eyes, and as you can see, it's like a very soft browny neutral tone with a little bit of shimmer, and I've gone in with brown eyeliner. Now just to finish off the eyes, I'm going to do the underneath, and before I start doing the mascara and curling the lashes, etc. But I'm just going to go in with some eye cream first by Forsali, and literally love this product. Guys, it's so important to use an eye cream before you apply like any product underneath your eyes. It's the best way to help the product actually last without creasing and just being smooth on the skin. So I've just gone in with a few dabs, and then I'm just going to blend this into the skin and just let that sort of sink in for a second or two, because you don't want to apply product on something that's quite wet. So I'm now going to go back in with my brown eyeliner with just underneath my eye. So I'm literally just applying this underneath. We want everything to blend, so we don't want there to be any harshness. So I'm taking this underneath, sort of like a pointy brush, so it just gives you a bit more definition. I'm just going to go in and start blending this out. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just blending this and taking this inwards. So super soft. Just taking it inwards. So I don't know if you can see. And the more you blend, the more it will take any harsh lines away, and it will just be super soft. And then I'm just going to come back just to soften things out. Cream, and just applying this onto the waterline. Hi guys, so I've gone in and I've done my base and I've just applied my lashes, and I'm just going to go in with the finishing touches on this eye with the lashes and the under eye. So I literally, once I've applied the lashes, I go in with a slight bit of liquid eyeliner and I apply this on the top part of my lash. So just like that. So you can't tell the difference between the band and, oh crap, what you've applied liner. Okay guys, look, I'm going to show you how I get rid of that. Step one is to just let it dry. It's actually good for me to show you this online. Okay, so step one is for it to just dry. It's really annoying when this happens. I'm just going to go in and just finish this before I start smudging it elsewhere. It's the annoyingest thing when that happens. Okay, so that's done. So the eyes, the top part of the eye is done. Now, let me show you how I get rid of this little bad boy that's just decided to happen after I've nearly finished doing my makeup. So I tend to go in with a bit of translucent powder first over my face, just a little bit, dab the rest off and put that on there. Then I go in with one of two things. Sometimes it works just with a Q-tip, and if that doesn't work, then I have step two. Okay, so literally, because we've applied translucent powder, you can just brush it off and it will flake off without actually affecting your under eyes, and I think it's worked, guys. So very soft hands, and literally like you're removing the top layer only. So that's worked there. Then I go back in with some translucent powder, because obviously it's, and voila! It has gone, guys. Okay. It's annoying when that happens, guys. Honestly, it happens to me all the time when I'm applying mascara and eyeliner, and it's so annoying. It is really annoying. The other way is using like a mascara brush, and then same concept, but you're kind of like flaking it off. But first thing is to let it dry. Don't ever try to remove it when it's wet. Two, once it's dried, put a bit of translucent powder on top and then remove it, and then it won't actually affect the base underneath. Okay, so the next thing that I did with the other eye is I went in with my pointed blending brush, which is this one just right here, and I got this shade here, this one here, and then the one next to it. So just mix both of them together, tap it off like that, then go back in into the corner and bring the eyeshadow in like that. So I'll come a bit closer. Just bring it in under the eyes like that, and then from the inner corner you're bringing it back out again. So on this side you're bringing it in, and the other side you're bringing it back out. Then I go in with my pointed blending brush, and then literally just very softly blend this back in again. So go inwards and just keep doing it until you get a softer finish. Hi guys, so this is the finished look, and I really hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope that you have taken away a few tips and tricks that I learned from Maria's masterclass. And yeah, so this is a finished look, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and like below if you have enjoyed watching this video, and please do also give me a follow on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is Keyury D. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all. Bye.